Hold the doorknob. Removing mechanical key lock block. Take out the mechanical key lock block. Be sure to pull the outer door handle before removing the screw. Unplug the plug inside and take out the door handle outside the door. Remove this screw. Removing the rubber plug. Use the shoe screw tool to remove the screws inside. This screw is used to fix the glass track groove. Take out the nut. Tear off the tape. This is another screw used to fix the glass track. Disassemble. Push the glass track groove open. Remove the screws used to secure the original mechanical lock. Take out the lock block. Pull out this plug. Loosen this screw. Use a tool to press the plastic at this location. Lock block and plastic can be separated. Take out the lock block first. Take this plastic out again. This is how they fit together in the car door. Use it like this and fix it in the card position. Only after this plastic piece is pulled up can it be separated. Push this rubber. Take out the steel wire. The mechanical lock of the original car can be completely taken out. Be sure to pull the outer door handle when removing the mechanical key lock block. Pull the outer door handle and remove the screw. This screw is in this position. Pull the outer handle to remove the screw. The device will move to this position. The outer handle can be taken out, otherwise it cannot be restored. Pull the handle, loosen the screw. This part will be close to this position. Then the doorknob can be taken out like this. The original card slot will still be in this position. When restoring, you need to tighten the screws while pressing the door handle. Loosen the screw to the loosest state. Two of the inside will reach this position. The handle can be put down to reset. Use a tool to pry the card out. Take out the steel wire. Remove the two screws here. These two screws are used to hold this white plastic. Tear off this foam. Here is a rivet. Use tool to grind this rivet flat. Then remove the latch. Remove this screw. Before separating the lock block, be sure to fully lock the mechanical lock. This is the first stage. This is the second stage. Remove screws. Use tool to grind this rivet flat. Remove the latch from the back. Use a tool to gently pry this position. Use a tool to gently pry this position. Lock cylinder separated. Electric suction locks also need to push the shackle to the second stage. Take out this part of the original car mechanical lock. Install to the corresponding position of the electric suction lock block. This limit protrusion corresponds to the groove position of the lock block. This new rivet is used to replace the original rivet. Secure with new rivets. This small cylinder is aligned with this hole and installed. Align another cylinder with another hole. Insert the pin from the back. Place the small screw on this side. Tighten with a screwdriver. Tighten this screw. Test that the shackle is working. Manually open the exterior door handle. Door open. Manually closing the exterior door handle. Close. Result: the outside handle works fine. Also need to test if the inner handle is working properly. Just tested the outer door handle. Pull the wire of the inner handle to open. The result shows I'm working fine. Combined installation of white plastic parts. Fix with screws. Use a tool to gently pry this position. Exterior door handle assembly. Put it inside the door first. Install exterior door handle wire. Put the motor inside the door. Put the lock block inside the door. Secure the lock block with screws. Fixed motor. The installation position of the motor cannot affect the work of the window lift glass. Install exterior door handles, press and hold. Disassemble the speaker. Connect the black wire negative pole to the black and white two-color wire. The yellow wire positive connects to the yellow and red bicolor wires. Wrap with tape. Connect the original car plug. Connect the extension cord plug. Restoration horn. Connect all plugs and set screws. The installation is complete. Please test after installation.